Some of the earnings that are likely to come today, and some of the big earnings include the earnings of LIC, the insurance behemoth, that's likely to report its earnings in the last two odd trading session. Because of the kind of bump up that we've seen in the Adani group of stocks, there's been a lift in the kind of investments that LIC has made in the group as well. In fact, the market value of LIC's investment in Adani stocks has hit 45,000 crores in just less than a few days as well. I wanted to understand from you, LIC has definitely been a big underperformer from the time it got listed on the D Street. It's trading below 600 mark at this point in time. It's been just like a very long wait for the investors who got their allotment in the IPOs, and they have been waiting for a long time for some kind of bright spots that could be seen. Now, in the last quarter, of course, earnings wise, there were some bright spots. The company had reported positive results. The expectations this time around is also on the positive zone. But what will it really take for LIC as a stock to really perform? Will these earnings be really something that will give a lift to the momentum that we are seeing on the stock?
One thing actually investors need to keep in mind always there is a phenomena in the market. Highly popular stocks and highly discussed stocks never been the instant or immediate rewarders in the market. So LIC is one of the stock in India which was regarded and highly popular in India. So this is one reason for the LIC's underperformance. But coming to the point, okay, the time the stock got listed, because of the market capitalization of LIC and the size of the stock is concerned, we have not seen significant inflows that are hitting the market from in terms of the FPIs or the DIS. Markets are in a complete range bound, and since the stock market capitalization is very high, the price is always factored into the stock price. So, and also we have not witnessed any kind of significant positive news from Life Insurance Corporation. There are no earnings upgrades with respect to their earnings are concerned, and also as LIC is perceived as one of the proxy for India's equity market. So, as the markets are choppy, we have not witnessed any kind of up move in LIC. But one thing is, the stock price got corrected significantly from its IPO, the IPO issued price. One can consider the stock at this point of time purely for a longer term basis because of the
Okay.
size and the fundamentals of LIC is concerned. And there is no significant dividend. That is the base minimum expectation from the investors. That also LIC has disappointed in terms of the dividend declaration. Also, we need to wait and watch how the things are going to pan out. But for the investor perceived as a long term investor, they need not have to worry for the long term. What we need to wait and watch is the one of the concern for the investors in LIC is actually because since it's a public sector undertaking, government have a tendency to offload its stake as a OFS or some kind of stake offloading that happens. This is one of the overhang towards LIC. So the management has to come up with a clear plan how the earnings are going to pan out and what is the premise of government diluting their stake over a period of time. These are the basic expectations from the investors in LIC at this point of time.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.